Hello viewers, this is Achol Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to give you an update, or actually this is going to be a proof of how you can get clients from buyer request section on Fiverr. And on my previous video, I discussed and shared few tips about writing or sending effective buyer requests to get orders on Fiverr. And I have showed few tips which was likely finding the client's name from buyer request section and how to customize the buyer request to send a personalized buyer request just like this one. Let me show you here, just like this one. So as you can see, this was the buyer request message looking for someone to create a YouTube channel, create content for it and grow it and manage it. So this was the client's message, and here is the message that I have, or actually here's the offer that I have sent to the client. Okay, just pause this video and read this section. And as I have just mentioned here, effective buyer request. So yes, this the process I have showed here was effective, and I did everything live step by step on this video. You'll find this video link into the video description as well. All right, so as this buyer request was effective, I was able to attract the buyer's attention to view my proposal, and for that I have got response from this client, as you can see here. So hi, thanks for replying to my request. I need video created to promote the content on the website. Here's the website name. I also need the channel managed and the videos ranked and growth for maximum views and generate traffic to website. I like the videos to your channel. Those types of videos will fit well for my site. So I just mentioned the process how you can include your channel without even giving the link. Okay, so or any other information, just give the hint. Okay, give them the hint and they will find out if they're really interested about you. Okay, and then here any suggestion of pricing that includes video creation, and then we have got few discussions privately. I don't want to share them for some privacy reasons. So I hope I was able to give you the idea that if you just send effective buyer requests or accurate buyer requests to clients on Fiverr from the buyer request section, then there is a huge opportunity to get clients from there. And I also mentioned how I make the correction of my grammatical spelling mistakes while I write any application, job application, or any offer or request. Okay, I use Grammarly, and I will attach the link of that tool into the video description as well if you want to, if you have got some weakness in English writing skills as well. So you'll be, so that the tool will help you out to make the corrections for free. All right, so I hope this video was informative to you, and if you found this video helpful, please like this video and like the other video, this one where I've showed the full process how you can write an effective buyer request. All right, so give it a like and share it to help others as well, and I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.